Beginning as a software engineer or a junior software engineer, what is the first thing that we need? It is a website. So today we are going to build a website under 5 minutes. Hopefully, I'm here to do the prove you wrong. I'm here to do the prove you wrong. I'm going to show you how to build a fully function professional looking website, and I'm going to use the tools we all are probably we have already know. Google Sites. No coding needed, no credit cards, no design required, just your idea and a fee simple click. Now, let's go. With Google Site is 100% field built in with your email log. You go to Google Site, you go to site.google.com. If you have a Google account like Gmail or Drive, anything you have registered with Google. Our first step is our Big Friendly Plus button, and you are instantly starting a blank canvas. Here is the beauty part. Google Site gave you a template, so if you are building a portfolio, a classroom page, or a small business site, or a small business site, there is a starting point for you. But for this demo, I'm going to use a blank template. That's why we are clicking our friendly plus button. So you should think about Google Sites as like walking into an empty room. There's nothing to fear, just a space to build. Our next agenda is step two. I'll name it and pick a theme. We have to give our site a name and a logo. So at the top left corner, you will see the untitled name. You can give it according to the name that you please, your business, your project, or your own name. And you should also add a logo. That is also important. We pick a theme. We pick a theme. You open the theme panel, like we said previously with Google Sites. It's just like you're walking to a room. You're walking to an empty room, but there's some furniture. So the theme is one of the furniture. You can pick yours at the build up color planet at the right of the theme. Step three, we add and organize our pages. Our first our first page is going to be our home page, which represent our living room and our first impression. Our about, which is going to be the second page that tells people what we are doing or what we are capable of. Nextly, our portfolio work. I'll show off of what we are capable of. I'll show off of what we can do and what we have acquired. Our contact, where we can receive our clients and feedback. Next on our agenda, we have step 4. On the right side of the screen, you'll see an instant menu. This is this is your text. This is your toolbox. You click. Firstly, we start with our text box. Our text box is where we put in our Google document required. We go to our images where you can upload your own image directly from your Google image or you can use your Google Drive. We have our inbox which we link our YouTube video, our Google Map, or our social media platform. Lastly, our white space. This don't cram everything, it just let the page breathe freely. So before leaving this page, I'll give an example. Let's see how let's show you a real world example. Say I'm building a website for a tutoring business. I add a header, images at the top, maybe a photo or a bookshelf. I drag in a text box underneath. Welcome. I help students master math and science. Then I instant three column, a photo of me, a brief bio, and a Google Calendar button so people can book section. Here come my favorite part of the entire section is our publishing and our preview. Now for a grand final. In the top right corner, click the Publish button. Google Sites asks you for a site name, like say we call it Tutoring with Jordan. Hit Publish and it about 10 seconds. Your site is live and internet at site.google.com view the tutoring with Jordan. It is a sense, it is secure, it is mobile friendly, and it is free. Now let's do a recap of what we have learned today. First, we start with our create, which is the click our friend button. Next, our name and theme, which is pick your look of what you want. We add our pages, our builder sculpture. We add our content where we drag in, and our publish button where we go live. What will you build first? A portfolio, a resume site, a page for your next big idea. The hardest part was never the text. It was just starting. Now you know exactly where to click. Thank you, and I'm sorry for going above 5 minutes.